How to create a professional E and F logo in Illustrator, perfect for beginners in 2024. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process of designing a sleek and modern logo using Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're new to graphic design or looking to expand your skills, this tutorial is tailored to help you master the basics of logo creation. Watch now and start designing your own unique E and F logo today. First, we'll use the Type tool to type the letters E and F. The font used here is Ash, which is a completely free font that you can easily download. This font offers a unique and stylish look, perfect for various design projects. Now create an outline of these letters and then ungroup them. Now we will grab the letter E with the Selection tool and right-click the mouse. Click on Transform here, some options will appear in front of you. Click on Reflect from it and touch the vertical and your letter will be flipped. Now after removing the end symbol from here I am placing it above. Let's stretch letter E and letter F with the help of Direct Selection tool and go to Pathfinder and press Unite. In this way these two letters will be connected with each other and a complete object will be formed. Next, we'll select the end symbol, right-click, and navigate to Arrange, followed by a Bring to Front. This ensures that the symbol is on the top layer, positioned above the letters E and F, will then change its color to black. After arranging the elements, we'll use the Pathfinder tool and click on a minus front to achieve the desired effect. Thus, we have created a logo in a single color. In this example, we've colored it red, but you can choose to use two colors, such as red and white, if you prefer. Now the design is complete. Do you understand this method?